What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Happy weekend. And today, Saturday, June 7th, you only have 24 hours. Now, a lot of deals in today's video are going to be perfect for Father's Day. Every deal in today's video is also from Costco's coupon book. So a majority of the deals are going to be available online as well. So if you don't have time to head to the warehouse, just order it right at Costco.com. As usual, friends, let's keep this pace nice and fast. First up, we have the Philips Norelco. This is their shaver. They're $6,900. It does have that Sense IQ in it, and it has the Quick Clean Pod. This is their 6000 series. This is a great Father's Day gift. Has 90,000 cut actions per minute, and today they're giving us a fantastic $30 savings, bringing the price down to $69.99. It's also available at Costco.com for the same price. And if Dad is looking for a multi-groom, we also have the Philips all-in-one trimmer. This is their Norelco. This is pretty sharp, has USB charging. This is 100% shower-proof as well, which is very nice. They're taking $15 off the price, bringing this one down to $44.99. Also available at Costco online for the same price. And moving on to the new Bronze Series 9 Sport Plus, we have their electric shaver. It does come with a charge station and a power case as well. This unit is pretty awesome. 40,000 cut actions per minute, has two specialized trimmers, and today they're taking a nice $50 off the price for us. Now this you can use wet or dry, has a 60-minute shaving time with a 5-minute quick charge, which is nice. $199.99, also available at Costco online for the same price. And then directly behind me, we do have my favorite fan, the Wuzu. Right next to it, we have the Vornado box fan. This fan's pretty awesome as well. Now, both these units currently are not on sale, but they do get an honorable mention. Right next to it, we have the Dyson Purifier. This is their cool TP11, and it does come with a replacement filters. So that means you get two filters right out of the box, which is awesome. Now, this unit does automatically sense real-time air quality, which is great. It puts it right up on the screen. Now, it cleans the air, and it puts out nice airflow as well. Pretty sweet looking unit here, looks amazing. The only issue is it's super expensive, so if you can afford it, that's great. If not, and you want to splurge, that's great as well. $110 off the price, $349.99. It's the same price at Costco.com as well. And then to my right, also from Shark, we have their Flex Breeze. Now this fan, I have to admit, it did put out a good amount of airflow, so I think it's a pretty great fan. It's pretty interesting. Why? Because you can use it as a pedestal fan, or you can use it as a tabletop fan. You can plug it into the outlet, or you can run it completely cordless. It does, or they do claim, it does have a runtime for up to 24 hours, which does sound pretty amazing. $40 off the price, $99.99. Also available at Costco online for the same price. And when these go on sale, definitely grab yourself a set. This is a fantastic price from Snapware. We have their Pyrex. This is their 18-piece glass food storage set. So this is pretty awesome. You get 9 containers with 9 lids. That's why they call it an 18-piece. They're airtight, they're leak-proof, and these are oven-safe up to 450 degrees. $5 off the price, only $19.99. This does sell for $30.99 at Costco online. And then directly behind me from Oral-B, we have their Complete Clean. This is their rechargeable electric toothbrush, and it does come in a 2-pack today. So you get 2 handles, 3 brushes, 2 charging stations, 2 travel cases. Now this toothbrush does have 3 different cleaning settings with a long-lasting battery. It comes in a 2-pack, so if you do want to split it up, maybe give one to mom, one to dad, keep one for yourself, give one for Father's Day, that's a good option. $20 off, $79.99. We also have the replacement heads as well for $43.99. You can grab these online for the same price, the electric toothbrush at $79.99. And let's head over to Costco online. I do want to show you a couple of deals there. From 3M, we have their 2500 series. Now this deal is absolutely amazing. It's a little bit cheaper at the warehouse, but they don't have all the sizes at the warehouse. They have so many different sizes here at Costco.com. Now me personally, I use 14 by 30. They don't carry that at the warehouse, but I do order it here online. Now $39.99 for this 4-pack. That deal is unbelievable. One of these filters costs about $25 on average, and here you get 4 for $39.99. Stock up, it lasts up to 3 months. This is a great product. And next up, I do want to show this aluminum pergola once again. This is from Costco's coupon book, a nice $400 savings. Now this unit here is 10 by 10. The one they usually show at the warehouse is 10 by 13. But here at Costco online, you can get the all white version, which looks pretty awesome in my opinion. This is a nice pergola, completely aluminum, has an integrated gutter system, which is pretty awesome. And you can have it delivered right to your front door, $1,499.99. And here we have another sweet deal that you should have delivered to your front door. This one's $700 off. Now this is a fabric power reclining sectional, has power headrest. Get your dad's feet nice and high, let him relax. 3 power recliners, has power headrest. This is an awesome product delivered right to your front door. Now they take off all the packaging for you. Shipping and handling is included at $1,599.99. And here we are back at the warehouse. We have the Tramontina up next. We're looking at their ceramic non-stick 12-piece cookware, and it does come with utensils as well. Now this is kind of a red flag for me. Why? Because it's only oven safe up to 350 degrees, but it is compatible with all cooktops, even induction. So the red flag is the 350 degree mark, but if you want to grab it, $40 off the price, $119.99, same price as Costco online. And then to my left from Gourmet, maybe dad wants to air fry some chicken wangs. We have their 8-quart digital air fryer, has a nice little cute window up front, very compact design here, cooks up to 450 degrees, has 7 one-touch functions, and it's only $39.99, same price as Costco online, but currently it's sold out there. And moving down just a little bit more, we do have the NutriBullet Pro Plus. Now I did prefer the Ultimate, which I did do as a giveaway. Now this blender does come in a nice matte black. I'm not crazy about it, but it has a nice powerful motor at 1200 watts. That can blend up his protein nice and easily. $20 off the price, $79.99. Also the same price as Costco online. So hopefully some of you aren't getting too annoyed by me mentioning Costco online or Costco.com too much. I'm just trying to give you an alternative option just in case you don't have time to head to the warehouse tomorrow to grab these items, because the sale does end tomorrow. We have the Kohler Step trash can. So maybe some of these items you see in today's video you want to buy for Father's Day. A lot of these items are going to be great for dad. $20 off, $79.99. Available at Costco online for $84.99. And next up, we do have the Artica. These are the Blaze. These are the 20 LED outdoor string lights. And you know what? I kind of made a mistake. I shouldn't have showed you this product here because the reviews are horrific. So stay away from this product. Don't buy it. If you do want to take a gamble and try it out, $6 off the price. It's not too expensive. $23.99. Another great gift option idea, especially if dad likes camping or outdoor activities. Maybe he's a coach, a soccer coach. This is a great item to pick up from Core. It's a 13 by 13 instant pop-up canopy. Super cool. You can set it up in 2 minutes. You just push down the center of it and it pops right up. $40 off the price, only $129.99. It's available at Costco online for $139.99, only $10 more. Now they do have one on display. I do want to show you that pop-up mechanism so you can see what I'm referring to. Here it is on display. You see that handle right in the dead center? All you gotta do is push up and it pops right open. Pretty awesome and sets up in just 2 minutes. You only need one person. Pretty awesome canopy here for $129.99. And here we have one of my favorite chairs from Timber Ridge. We have their director's chair. This chair is pretty awesome. This is a foldable chair. I always have these in the back of my Jeep just in case you want to sit down. Maybe you're going for coffee one day, you want to pull it out. This is a super awesome chair. You're going to the beach. I always carry a couple of them in the back of my Jeep. And today we get a nice $10 discount. It does support up to 300 pounds, $46.99. You get that little side table as well. And now from DeWalt, we have their 16-inch 3-speed benchtop fan. You can also hang it, which is great. It's a super lightweight design, compact. I have it myself. I like it a lot. It has a sturdy handle for easy transportation. Just pick it up and go. It's not too heavy. My only flaw about this fan, the cord is not that long, which does drive me nuts, but it's great for garages, basements, workshops. Dad's going to love this one. $15 off the price, $64.99. Also available at Costco online for the same price. To the right, we have the very popular Shop Vac. This is a great unit to pick up. I own this one as well. Stainless steel, pretty awesome. It's wet and it's dry, so you can use them from both. Has a 12-foot power cord, which is great. It's 8 gallons, awesome. Now this unit is great. I do have it. I love it. $20 off the price. Already sold out at Costco online, so you do have to grab it here at the warehouse. $74.99. So yesterday, I did put out a new Costco clearance video. If you haven't seen that video, we did have the 24-inch DeWalt drum fan on clearance for $49.97. Definitely check out this video after you watch this video here. If you do prefer shopping at Amazon for dad, I did put out a new Amazon video a couple of days ago. Definitely watch that one. I am going to make a new one that's more geared towards Father's Day, so stay tuned for that one as well. And moving on to Costco online, once again, we have the Artica, except this product has fantastic reviews. We're looking at the Edwin. This is a 23-inch LED chandelier fan, and it does have a nice integrated LED light, 2,000 bright lumens. They give you a remote control. Now, what's nice about this light, not only does it look great, if you're lucky enough to have it on display at your local warehouse, it does look pretty nice. It has a forward and reverse function, which is very important. During the winter months, everybody knows that heat rises. So you want to turn on this fan clockwise. That way it pushes the heat back down and it warms your space. You save on energy. During the summer months, you want to turn it counterclockwise. Now we have a great discount here, $40 off the price, $119.99. And once again, back on sale again, we have the Polywood. This is the Long Beach modern chairs, the Adirondack chairs. Now these are pretty sweet for the price. Keep in mind, these are quite heavy, but they're super durable, 20-year warranty. You can clean them easily. We have so many different color options to choose from. We have the white, we have the gray, we have the blue, we have the black, we have the red. I did order 2 of the red ones myself. These are genuine Polywood, so they are quite heavy, very, very durable, super high quality. And today, an amazing price, $30 off, $149.99 right to your front door. And whether you're by the pool, on the deck, or on the patio, this is another great buy from Sun Villa. Yes, it is a little bit on the expensive side, but it's the commercial grade Chase Lounge. Now, it does come in a 2-pack with adjustable armrests. Now, it's a great deal. Even though it's quite expensive, it's still a good deal. I know you think it's a lot, but it's still a good deal. $349.99 for a 2-pack, not bad at all. And here we are back at the warehouse. If you're leaving your front door open too much or your back door open too much, or even your garage, check out this product from Zevo. It's a flying insect trap. This is the starter kit. So you get 2 devices, 6 refills, and it's a great deal as well. So this product definitely works. I have it myself, and it catches all those flies pretty instantly. I tend to leave the garage door open a little more than I should, and we get all the flies coming in. $8 off at $31.99. It's going for $37.99 at Costco online. Also, there's nothing wrong with getting dad a nice 3-pack of dog toys for his loved one. If you got any fur babies, maybe dad has a dog, definitely check this product out as well. This comes in a 3-pack. We got the Cozy Kongs right in front of us. A great product, $6 off this toy pack, $15.99. And to my right, from Perrier, we do have their water currently on sale. Pretty great price here, the sparkling water. I do prefer the glass bottles a lot more, but these come in a 24-pack, $6 off, only $15.49. To my left, if dad gets up early in the morning, he needs breakfast on the go, this is another great option. Be considerate. We have the eggs, the Egg-Wich sandwiches. Now these are egg whites with turkey sausage and cheese. Pretty great idea if you want to pair it up with the Triton backpack. 190 calories per Egg-Wich, 3 carbs, and 17 grams of protein. Only $10.69. Now you can grab this. You can put it in the backpack cooler right here. This one's also on sale from Triton, a 26-can backpack cooler. This is another great product from Triton. Super awesome. Now we have 3 different colors to choose from: the black, the gray, the green. They're taking $7 off the price. It does have 5 insulated compartments. This is great for dad if he goes to work early in the morning, maybe the job site. $32.99. You can get him the water, you can get him the Egg-Wich, you can get him this backpack. Throw everything in there. He's going to love it. $32.99. Also from the Tattoo Chef up next. I love this brand. We have the organic bowls right in front of us. The acai bowls, now these are pretty great. You don't have to add the extras if you don't want, but these are okay. I like the Tattoo Chef brand. I like their mixed vegetables. Now these are 110 calories without the extras. It has 19 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein. Pretty good deal here. You get a 6-pack, $4 off, $9.59. Also, right down the aisle, we have the Hum Kombucha. Now, I like this kombucha. It comes in an 8-pack. What's nice about this, not too much sugar. There's no added sugar, which is great. Only 35 calories per can, but take it easy with this kombucha. If you're new to kombucha, ease into it. Don't drink 3 or 4 at a time. It does taste like a beer. 35 calories, in my opinion, tastes like a beer. I do like kombucha. I love it, but you have to be aware of the sugar content on some of them. $4.30 off, $8.69. And then to my left, another great option, especially if you're on the run, you don't have time to make that smoothie. You can grab the Naked Variety Pack here. It does come in a 12-pack. Now, the calories and macros are pretty much even on these. $4.50 off the price, $10.49. We also have the sardines on sale as well. Now, these are very popular, very clean from the Wild Pacific sardines. These are delicious. They had one can already open. One was missing. I didn't take it, so don't blame me. These are Wild Pacific sardines and extra virgin olive oil, lightly salted. These are delicious. Well, I don't know if they're delicious. I haven't eaten a sardine in a while, but they are 170 calories per serving here. Now, these are $3 off the price, going for $6.99. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, this was a quick video I made today. You only have 24 hours before the sale is over. A lot of options are available at Costco online, so if you don't have time to head to the warehouse, you can grab a majority of these items at Costco online for the same price and just have it delivered to your house for free. So if you enjoyed today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, hit that thumbs up button. And remember, friends, tomorrow, we have the Costco new Hot Buys that just came out. So I am going to do a video on that tomorrow, and then we'll have an online Costco clearance video coming soon. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we got to do another giveaway. So if you have any good ideas for a new giveaway, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. Peace.